Yeah, so okay. Gonna prime the carburetor. Fingers on the way. Okay. Yeah, running good. I don't see any issues with the carburetor, like most of the other vehicles from sitting, where the carburetor will be gummed up and it won't idle, it won't accelerate, it won't rev because of the jets being clogged. But this one seems to be fine. The motor is a gasoline burner motor. It's a Chevrolet 454. And a while in the past, I did a little upgrade. I just chrome valve covers, but now you can see they're pretty rusty. MSD cap, MSD rotor, MSD wires on it. Fuel pump. I put a mechanical fuel pump on it. Holley fuel pump with the braided line on it. That's about it. Other than that, it's a bone stop motor. But it runs really good, and it pulls the truck, pulls the RV really good. Yeah, and it only has low mileage. It only have like 23,000 miles on it. Yeah, 22,000 miles on it. So when I did the valve covers, the inside of the motor, brand new, was really clean. So low mileage, very low mileage. And this is a pretty old. This is like a 90-something model. I'm not sure. Could be 80-something model. So yeah. Yes, I don't think I have to be doing anything to the carburetor. It's gonna be running good.